version of me is REALME GT Master Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this smartphone. Start by going into tab menu and looking for location icon. When you're ready, just click on it. As you can see, this pop-up will show up. Over here you need to select close, and when I go back I can see that location is now off. You can turn it back on by clicking at the same icon. But you can also go into settings, scroll down, select location over here and manage it by tapping on the switcher next to location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!